Hello everyone! This is Jukie Davie Crafts. I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite crafts with you. The craft that I am going to be showing you today is fun for the whole family, and it may need some parental guidance. You'll see why in a minute. But first, let me go ahead and tell you what materials you will need. A canvas. This size is about 11 by 14, but you can use smaller or larger. Your preference. You will also need some crayons. I have about 48 in total, but I am probably going to use less than that. And depending on how big your canvas is, you might need more or less. You'll see in a minute, you'll see. You will also need a hot glue gun with glue in it, obviously, and a blow dryer. And that is all you will need. Let's go ahead and get into our craft. The first thing you are going to do is go ahead and open up your crayons and arrange them in whatever order you like across your canvas. Like this. Now that we are all done with that, now we're going to go ahead and take each individual crayon and take off the paper on the crayon. The paper around the crayon. Okay, pro tip for all of you out there. It's actually really hard to get all the paper off of these crayons. So here's a little pro tip for all of you. Put all of the crayons in a big bowl of water and wait for the paper to get all mushy. And then you just kind of like rip it off with your fingernails. It's a lot easier to do. And then you just dry them off, and here you are. Ta-da! And then you just gotta line them back up on the canvas, and then we are good for the next step. Alright, now that we have them all lined up, now we are going to get our hot glue and we are going to glue the crayons onto the canvas. parents, you might need to help your kids out with this one. Parents or guardians, teachers, you might want to help your kids. Hot glue, hot, kind of dangerous. Whew, aha. Wow, look how pretty it is. I'm gonna unplug my hot glue gun. I won't be needing it anymore. Now we are down to the last part of our craft. Now we are going to take our blow dryer and we're gonna blow hot air on the bottom of our crayons on the canvas. Parents, you might want to help out your kids with this one as well. You're gonna make the wax in the crayons super hot with the blow dryer, and it's going to drip down the canvas. Like this. I am super impressed. I've never done this craft before, and I cannot believe how cool it came out. Wow! It was so much fun to do, using the blow dryer on the paint and watching it melt and drip and splatter all over the place. Little advice, make sure you put down paper towels or maybe even do it outside. It can be a little messy. But wow, is it worth it? If you were to do any of my crafts, this has to be the one you do. All that work with the crayons really paid off. I might even do another one. If you had so much fun making this craft with me, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any great crafts with me. And also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms at Time to Tell a Tale. And I will see you all next time on Jukie Davie Crafts. Goodbye, everyone! Feels like wax. Feels good. I love it. I love it. It's so good. So good.